Rachel Kelly here. I wanted to shoot a quick video for you while I'm sitting outside of my daughter's school over there. I mean, that's a school, but it actually used to be a business at one time, but it's a school that is designed for students that are really good with arts. So it may not look too good, but I tell you what, we're enjoying what's happening in her life because of her going to school, which she's very skilled and gifted at. So, I mean, I didn't want to talk to you about necessarily a school, but I wanted to share with you something that was on my mind this morning while I'm waiting for my daughter. So, this morning I got up and there's a couple things, I mentioned in one of my previous videos how, I'm really getting to the point where focus is so important. I mean, even more key than ever before. And after being here in the industry for some time, you get a chance to learn quite a bit. And one of the things that will keep you overwhelmed, distracted, confused if you really don't know what direction you're going in. So here we are. I had, I'm just in internet marketing originally. I'm just an internet marketer. And what I learned was that, you got to be really specific in what you're doing. Yes, I'm an internet marketer, but I've even keyed that in more to I am a internet marketer who helps struggling internet marketers or home business owners. So if you are a struggling home business owner, you definitely want to connect with me, because I believe that through my coaching that I can really help you. But again, that's not what my video is here, but I just know that it's such a difficult time that most people have with internet marketing and home business, that's where my passion is, that just helping people get through that process. So, what happened was, last week I got really keen and focused on what it is that I want to do, to who I want to help, to the point where I'm just pinpointing, okay, who can I help that's in a home business that's struggling? And so with me being so key and point, what happened was, because I was so used to being all over the place, every other place, every night when I would report to my accountability group what I was going to do, I would always, write down my list, but for whatever reason there was a block. And the reason the block was there was because of, because even though I did have this to-do list, my actual vision changed a little bit. And with my vision changing, and when your vision does change, your plan has to change. And if you don't actually sit down and rewrite your plan, then you're going to have the block. So I knew that I wanted to help struggling internet marketers or struggling home-based business owners. But the block was because my plan was for something different. My plan was just general internet marketers. So now that I have a different niche, then what I need to do is I need to create a different sales funnel. I need to create, and when I say create, I mean outsource, have someone else do the work. But I need to put these other things in place to help brand me as that struggling internet marketing coach. Because that's exactly what I do. So, all I'm saying to you is that when you find yourself in a hard spot,